Hello guys, welcome to classes of Breathe. Today we will study section and midpoint formula. Let's see first the formulas which are needed in this chapter. First, when ratio is given x equals to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. Here m and n is a ratio and x2 and x1 is the numbers which we will take. Okay. Y equals to my square plus ny1 by m plus n. When midpoint is given, x equals to x1 plus x2 by 2, y equals to y1 plus y2 by 2. Then third is find centroid of a triangle. X equals to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. Y equals to y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Distance between 2 points. When we have to find the distance between the 2 points, then we will use this formula. X square minus x1 of whole square plus y square minus y1 of whole square under square root. Okay. Here centroid means center of the triangle. Okay. So let's solve the problems. Here I have written some problems. First question is, find the coordinate of point P which divides the line segment joining A -2 and -7 and B of the coordinate 6 and 1 in the ratio 5:3. Solution. First, C. A -2, -7 and B 6 and 1. We have to find this P's coordinate, okay, which divides the line AB. Okay, so here ratio is given 5:3, so this will be 5, this will be 3. Okay, then we will write the formula. X equals to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. Then y equals to my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. X equals to, here m equals to 5 and n equals to 3. This is x1 and this is x2 and this is y1 and 1 is y2. Okay, so m 5 into x2 is 6. 5 into 6 plus 3 into -2 in the bracket 5 plus 3. Y equals to 5 into 1 plus n equals to 3. So 3 into -7 in the bracket by 5 plus 3. So x equals to 6 5s are 30 plus 3 2 just 6 in the bracket -6 by 5 6 7 8. Y equals to 5 1s are 5 plus in the bracket -21 by 8. X equals to 30 minus 6 by 8 plus minus minus. Y equals to plus minus minus, so 5 minus 21 by 8. So x equals to 24 by 8. Y equals to 16 by 8. X equals to 3. 8 1s are 8. 8 3s are 24. 8 2 just 16. So x equals to 3. Y equals to C. Y equals to 2. So coordinate of P is 3 and 2. Okay. Then find the coordinate of the point of trisection of line segment joining the points A of the coordinate 5 and -3 and B of the coordinate 2 and -9. So trisection means the line is divided into 2 parts. Okay. A. First A. 5 and -3. Then B is 2 and -9. Here P and Q. Let the point of transaction be P and Q. Okay, so first, when P divides the line of AB, then let the ratio be 1:2. Okay, when Q divides the line of AB, then let the ratio be 2:1. Means when P will divide, then ratio will be 1:2, and when Q will divide, then the ratio will be 2:1. Okay, so first we will find the coordinate of P. X equals to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. Then y equals to my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. X equals to, m is given here 1, so 1 into x2 is 2 plus 2 into minus 3 by 1 plus 2. So y equals to 1 into minus 9 plus 2 into minus 3 by 1 plus 2. So x equals to 2 plus 3 to just 6 minus 6 by 3. Y equals to minus 9 plus 3 to just 6 minus 6. So by 3. So x equals to 2 plus minus 6 by 3. Y equals to minus 9 plus minus 6 by 3. Here x equals to 2 minus 6, 4 by 3, and sorry, I have mistaken here, minus 3 not 5. Here it will be 5. 5 to the 10. So plus 10. So 12. 12 by 13. So 3 6 are 12. So x equals to 6 and y equals to minus 15 by 3. 3 5s are 15. So y equals to, sorry, 3 4s are 12. So answer is x equals to 4, y equals to minus 5. Okay. So coordinate of Q, same we will write first. Okay. Then x equals to 2 into 2 plus 1 into 5 by 2 plus 1. Y equals to 1 into 2 into minus 9 plus 2 into 1 into minus 3 by 2 plus 1. So x equals to 2 to the 4 plus 5 by 3. Y equals to 18 minus 18 plus, here minus plus minus 3 by 3. So x equals to 9 by 3. Y equals to plus minus 18 minus 3 by 3. So x equals to 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So x equals to 3, y equals to minus minus plus 18 and 19, 20, 21 by 3, 3 7s are 21. So coordinate of Q is 3 and minus 7. Okay. So third is the line segment joining A minus 3 and 1 and B of the coordinate 7 and minus 5 is the diameter of a circle whose center is C. Find the coordinate of point C. So here is a circle whose diameter is AB with a center C. A is minus 3 and 1, B is 7 and minus 5. So we will x1 plus x2 by 2, y equals to y1 plus y2 by 2. So x equals to x1 is minus 3 plus 7 by 2, y equals to 1 plus minus plus in the bracket minus 5 by 2. So x equals to minus plus minus 4 by 2, y equals to 1 minus 5 by 2. So x equals to 2 2s are 4, x equals to 2, y equals to plus minus minus. So minus 4 by 2, 2 2s are 4. So coordinate of C is 2 and minus 2. So fourth is A of the coordinate 10 and 5, B of the coordinate 6 and minus 3, C of the coordinate 2 and 1 are the vertices of a triangle ABC. L is the midpoint of AB and M is the midpoint of AC. Write down the coordinates of L and M. Show that LM is equals to 1 by 2 BC. So here triangle is given A, B, C. A equals to 10 and 5, B is 6 and minus 3, C is 2 and 1. Here L is a midpoint of AB and M is a midpoint of AC. Okay, we have to find the coordinates of L and M. So first we will find the L. Okay, A and B. X equals to x1 plus x2 by 2, y equals to y1 plus y2 by 2. X equals to x1 is 10, 10 plus 6 by 2, y equals to 5 plus in the bracket minus 3 by 2. X equals to 16 by 2, y equals to plus minus minus, so y minus 3 by 2. So x equals to 2 8s are 16, y equals to 5 minus 3, 2 by 2. So x equals to 8 and y equals to 1. So coordinate of L is 8 and 1. So let's find the coordinate of Q. Okay. So x equals to x1 is 10. 10 plus 2 by 2. Y equals to 5 plus 1 by 2. X equals to 12 by 2. Y equals to 6 by 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 6 are 12. So coordinate of Q is 6 and 3. Okay. So here is asked LM equals to 1 by 2 BC. So L is a midpoint of AB and M is a midpoint of AC. So L is parallel to M. LM is parallel to BC. Therefore LM equals to half of BC by midpoint theorem. Okay. So this now fifth question, the line segment joining P of the coordinate minus 4 and 5 and Q of the coordinate 3 and 2 intersect the y-axis at r. PM and QN are perpendiculars from P and Q on the x-axis. Find first the ratio PR is to RQ, the coordinate of R, the area of quadrilateral PM and Q. Here is the diagram. So see, R is touching y-axis. So that means x equals to 0 and y is something which we have to find. So first we will take out the ratio. First, ratio. Okay. PR equals to RQ means PR equals to RQ. First, let the ratio be K is to 1. Okay. K is to 1. So x equals to mx2 plus nx1 by 2. Y equals to my2 plus ny1 by 2. So x equals to m is k into x2 is 3 plus 1 into x1 is minus 4 by, here x it is given 0, y we have to find. So x equals to 0. So k plus 1, when we multiply with 0, k plus 1 will be multiplied to 0, it will come 0. So 0 into equals to k into 3, 3k plus minus 4. So when 4 will come this side, so it will become plus. So 4 equals to 3k, k equals to 4 by 3. So our ratio is, the ratio is 4:3. So we have to find second the coordinate of R. So let's find the coordinate of R. Y equals to, we have already find x equals to 0. So y equals to my2 plus ny1 by 2. Y equals to m is our 4 into y2 is 2 plus then 3 into 5 by, sorry, this is m plus n. So 3 plus 4 or 4 plus 3, whatever. 4 to the 8 plus 5 is a 15. 5, 6, 7. Y equals to 8 plus 15, that is 23 by 7. Okay. So area of the quadrilateral P, M and Q means we have to find the area of P, M and Q. So formula of area is, area of the quadrilateral is 1 by 2 into sum of parallel sides into base. So let's find first distance of PM. X square minus x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 of whole square equals to PM. x2 is minus 4 minus 4 of whole square plus y2 is 0 minus 5 of whole square, then equals to minus 4 minus plus. So minus 4 plus 0 of, sorry, plus 4 of whole square plus 5 of whole square. So equals to 0 plus 5 5s are 25 of whole square. So 25 equals to 5 5s are 25 units. Okay, 5 units. So distance of QN. Okay, QN, x2 minus x1 of whole square plus y2 minus y1 of whole square equals to x2. Here x2 is 3. So 3 minus 3 of whole square plus y is 0 minus y1 is 2 of whole square equals to 3 minus 3 0 plus 0 minus 2 equals to 2. So minus 2 into minus 2, that is minus minus plus, 2 2s are 4. So 0 plus 4. So root over of 4. So 2 units. 2 2s are 4. So 2 units. Then distance of M and N. Okay, M and N. x2 minus x1 of whole square plus y2 minus y1 of whole square equals to x2 is 3 minus 4 in the bracket of whole square plus y2 is 0 minus 0 of whole square equals to 3 minus minus plus 3 plus 4 of whole square plus 0 equals to 4 plus 3 7 of whole square. So 49, 7 sevens are 49. So 7 units. Okay, so let's find area of the quadrilateral. 1 by 2 into P M plus Q N into M N. M and N equals to 1 by 2 into PM. PM equals to 5 plus 2 into 7 units equals to 1 by 2 into 7 into 7. So equals to 1 by 2 into 7 sevens are 49. So 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, and 9 1 10. 1 0 means 2 5s are 10. So equals to 24.5. Okay, 24.5. Six. Find the coordinates of the point of intersection of the medians of the triangle whose vertices are A, B, A of the coordinate minus 7, 5, B of the coordinate minus 1, minus 3, and C of the coordinate 5 and 7. So here it's a triangle whose coordinates are A minus 7 and 5, B minus 1, minus 3, C 5 and 7. Okay, we have to find medians. These are medians. These are medians. Where they intersect, we have to find that. Means centroid. G we have to find. So we have read x equals to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. Y equals to y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So x equals to x1 is minus 7 plus minus 1 plus 5 by 3. Y equals to 5 plus minus 3 in the bracket plus 7 by 3. X equals to minus 7 plus minus minus plus 5 by 3. Y equals to 5 plus minus minus plus 7 by 3. X equals to minus minus plus. So minus 8 plus 5 by 3. Y equals to plus minus minus. Plus minus minus 2. Plus sign is greater. So 2 plus 7 by 3. So x equals to minus plus minus. So minus 3 by 3. So 3 ones are 3. X equals to minus 1. Y equals to 9 by 3. 3 3s are 9. So equals to 3. So coordinate of G equals to minus 1 and 3. Okay. Last question of this day. ABC is a triangle and G of the coordinate 4 and 3 is its centroid. if A of the coordinate 1 and 3, B of the coordinate 4 and B, C of the coordinate A and 1, be the vertex, find the value of A and B, hence its vertices. So here given A of the coordinate 1 and 3, B of the coordinate 4 and B, C of the coordinate A and 1, and centroid is given. Centroid is G is 4 and 3. So we'll x equals to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y equals to y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So x is given 4, so 4 equals to 1 plus 4 plus A by 3. So y is given 3 equals to y1 is 3 plus B plus 1 by 3. So 4 3s are 12 equals to 4 plus 1, 5 plus A. So 3 3s are 9, 3 plus 1, 4 plus B. So 12 minus 5 equals to A. 12 minus 5, 7 equals to A, and 9 minus 4 equals to B. So B equals to 5. So coordinate vertices of B of the coordinate 4 and 5, and C of the coordinate is 7 and 1. So here we completed this chapter. I have made one more video on the chapter banking. If you have not seen, I will provide that link in the description box. You can see there. Thank you for today. Please like and subscribe my channel if you like this video. Thank you.